If you think a small cavity isn't a big deal, think again. That tiny hole in your tooth, it might seem harmless now, but if you leave it untreated, it can lead to something much more worse, like severe pain, infection, or even tooth loss. Here's what happens. A cavity starts as a minor enamel damage. If you ignore them, the bacteria will dig deeper in your tooth, reaching the nerve. That's when you start having tooth sensitivity or pain while you're eating or drinking cold or hot foods. But it does not stop there. If the bacteria reaches the nerve of your tooth, the infection spreads, and now you're looking at a root canal, or even worse, a tooth loss. And trust me, that's way more expensive and painful than a single filling. What are the good news? Cavities are 100% preventable and treatable if caught early. Regular checkups, brushing fluoride toothpaste, and flossing daily will help to stop the cavity before the cavity even starts. And if you already have one, don't panic. Get a small filling. It's way easy and painless. You save time, you save money, and avoid unnecessary pain in the future if you treat it before it gets too severe. So don't wait till it's too late. If you're feeling even slightly tooth sensitivity or have been a while since your last checkup, book an appointment today. Prevention is always easier and cheaper than treatment. And if you want more dental health tips, click on subscribe, drop a comment below, and we'll help you.